versus Judge case is set to be heard in the Supreme Court today. Here's the background of the case. A Calcutta High Court judge, Justice Abhijit Gangopadhyay, who was on a single judge bench, has accused his colleague, who was in fact heading the division bench, Justice Somen Sen, of working for a political party. The matter boiled over when Justice Abhijit Gangopadhyay went against the division bench and ordered a CBI probe into an alleged fake caste certificate scam in the state of West Bengal. A five-judge bench headed by Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud is set to hear the case shortly. The other justices on the bench are Sanjeev Khanna, B.R. Gavai, Surya Kant and Aniruddha Bose. This is the first time a five-judge bench has been set up to draw suo motu proceedings. My colleague Ramya is joining us live on the broadcast to help us with more details on this. Ramya, a judge versus judge case is all set to be heard in the Supreme Court today. Help us with the background of the case firstly, and what are we going to expect?
Absolutely, the five-judge bench of the Supreme Court is set to hear this suo motu case on a Saturday, a public holiday for the Supreme Court. The cases arises from a matter which is being known as judge versus judge. Let me tell you, Justice Abhijit Gangopadhyay, a judge of the Calcutta High Court, had recently, while presiding over a single judge bench, had passed an order directing the Bengal state government to pass some documents to the Central Bureau of Investigation. However, later that order passed by the single judge bench of Justice Gangopadhyay was stayed by a division bench being headed by Justice Somen Sen. Justice Gangopadhyay again took over that matter and made certain remarks stating that what was so urgency that a division bench had to be set up and stay my order. The Justice Gangopadhyay in his order stated, I have not found any recording of any urgency in the matter. What was so urgent? Who is acting as an interested person for one of the political parties in the state? So it's a big allegations against a judge heading the division bench by a single judge bench. So let's see what the Supreme Court has to say. The hearing will take place at 10:30 by the five-judge bench of the Supreme Court, and the orders will be awaited on this. Over to you.
Okay, Ramya, appreciate you joining us with all the details. So all eyes will be on what the Supreme Court judge and the bench that will be formed, the five-judge bench, is concerned. There will be, in fact, a declaration on the matter. With that, let's leave it and shift our focus to some breaking news coming in.